to you, then you must like, subscribe, share and click on all notification bell icon. The Nifty 50 is projected to have a positive to steady start today, April 10, 2026, following a sharp 0.93% decline in the previous session. Gift Nifty futures indicate a gap-up opening of roughly 60 to 140 points, trading near the 23,915 to 23,946 range. Geopolitical jitters. A fragile two-week ceasefire between the US and Iran is keeping markets on edge. Any signs of non-compliance could trigger fresh volatility. Crude oil pressure. Brent crude has rallied toward $98 per barrel, posing a headwind for Indian equities due to inflation and corporate margin concerns. TCS Q4 results. TCS reported a 12 to 29% jump in net profit, beating estimates. This is expected to put IT stocks in the spotlight and could drive an index recovery. Global cues. US markets ended higher on Thursday, with the S&P 500 continuing its winning run, which provides a positive backdrop for domestic sentiment. Institutional activity. FIIs remained net sellers on April 8, offloading equities worth 2,811 Indian rupees crore. DIs continued their support as net buyers, purchasing nearly 4,168 Indian rupees. Resistance. The 24,000 psychological mark remains a critical hurdle. A decisive move above this is needed to target 24,200 to 24,500. Support. Immediate support is seen at 23,500 to 23,580. Failing to hold these levels could lead to further profit booking. Volatility. The India VIX rose nearly 4% to 20.43 on Thursday, signaling increased market nervousness. IT. Strong TCS earnings may drive buying interest in heavyweights like Infosys and Wipro. Banking. The Bank Nifty underperformed yesterday, down 1.58%, and faces immediate resistance at 55,000 to 55,200. Defensives. Analysts suggest focusing on FMCG and pharma to navigate current headline-sensitive volatility. For April 10, 2026, the Nifty 50 is showing early signs of recovery, with the TCS Q4 earnings acting as a major sentiment driver for the IT sector and the broader market. Tata Consultancy Services, TCS, reported a robust set of results for the quarter ended March 31, 2026, beating street expectations on several fronts. Net profit, 13,718 Indian rupees crore, marking a sharp 29% sequential, QOQ, jump and a 12.2% year-on-year, YoY, increase. Revenue, 70,698 Indian rupees crore, rising 5.4% QOQ and 9.6% YoY, which exceeded most analyst estimates. Final dividend. The board recommended a final dividend of 31 Indian rupees per equity share. AI momentum. Annualized AI-driven revenue crossed $2.3 billion, with significant new partnerships including OpenAI, AMD, and ABB. Deal wins. The company secured a total contract value, TCV, of $12 billion during the quarter, including 3 mega deals. Margins. Operating margins remained resilient at 25.3%, reaching a 4-year high. The strong TCS performance is expected to trigger a short-term relief rally in the IT sector, which has been under pressure due to global uncertainties. Positive sentiment. TCS shares ended 1.2% higher at 2,590 Indian rupees on Thursday ahead of the results, outperforming the broader market. Sectoral boost. Analysts expect this earnings surprise to provide a tailwind for peers like Infosys and HCL Tech, potentially helping Nifty 50 reclaim the 24,000 level. The index is currently at a decision point after falling nearly 1% in the previous session. Choice India +1. Immediate resistance, 23,920 to 24,000. A decisive daily close above 24,000 is required to signal a trend reversal toward 24,200 to 24,300. Immediate support, 23,500 to 23,580. This zone must hold to prevent a further slide toward the next major base at 23,450. Market indicators. RSI stands at 51.30, suggesting neutral but recovering momentum. India VIX rose to 20.43, indicating that while sentiment is improving, volatility remains elevated. Choice India +1. Other stocks to watch. Eicher Motors, bookings for the new Flying Flea C6 electric motorcycle commence today at 12 p.m. BHEL, technical analysts suggest a buy above 278 Indian rupees with a target of 310 Indian rupees, citing a bullish Kumo twist on charts. Dilip Buildcon, showing strength after gaining over 1% in yesterday's weak market. Thank you for watching.